Welcome to Module 2, Interpersonal Relationships and Social Interaction. This module is key to understanding ourselves and how we connect with others. We will explore three major areas: self-image, the dynamics of relationships, and common barriers to effective communication. Let's begin with a deep dive into self-image, the foundation of our social interactions. Self-image is how we perceive ourselves. We will define it and break down its core elements, which shape our internal view. Self-image is multidimensional, covering the physical, intellectual, psychological, sexual, and skills dimensions. These are the facets that collectively form our identity. We'll analyze the characteristics of a good and poor self-image, and then discuss practical strategies for improvement. Crucially, we'll review Maslow's hierarchy of human needs, understanding how our foundational needs influence self-image and motivation. Next, we move to interpersonal relationships, exploring the social structures that influence us. We differentiate between primary reference groups, such as family and close friends, which provide deep emotional and social support, and secondary reference groups like professional colleagues or organizations, which are task-oriented and less emotionally intimate. Our final topic is critical: barriers to interpersonal communication and social interaction. We'll start by defining what a communication barrier is, then look at physical obstacles like noise, and physiological barriers, such as hearing impairments. We also cover psychological barriers, stemming from our mental state, and semantic barriers, which involve language and interpretation issues. A major interference is perceptual differences, how our unique background shapes the way we interpret messages. Specific perceptual barriers include generalization, stereotyping, and ethnocentricity, or multicultural/intercultural barriers, all of which distort accurate communication. It's important to recognize that various communication barriers rarely act in isolation. They often interact, complicating communication further. Finally, we discuss gatekeeping, which refers to controlling the flow of information or access within a group or system. Gatekeeping can be physical, restricting physical access, or informational, controlling what information reaches others and when. This concludes Module 2. Remember, understanding self-image, relationship dynamics, and communication barriers is vital for effective social interaction.